Hello friends, welcome to another video, and today we are going to discuss interrogative of a past tense. So first of all, we will see the structure of an interrogative of a past tense. So let's jump into the board and see the structure of interrogative. Then we will make a structure, and after structure we will frame some sentences. So let's jump into the board. Okay, so first, continuous tense. Okay, continuous tense. So interrogative. Okay, interrogative. So the structure of an interrogative is was, where, and plus subject plus verb first form. Okay, subject plus verb first form plus ing and plus object. So this is the structure. Okay, this is the structure. According to this structure, we will frame some sentences. But all the sentence is going to create a question. So question mark. The interrogative is asking the question. Okay, ask questions. What is the question mark? The question mark is like this. Okay. So okay, understand? I hope you understand. The interrogative is asking the question. So question mark, we have to show the question mark. Okay. So let's frame some sentences. Okay. Was she doing work? Okay. Was she doing work? Then question mark. Okay. Was he playing cricket? Okay. Was he playing cricket? That means the was is creating the question. So when you will see in the front of subject, in the front of beginning of subject, was, where, has, been, am, is, or, so those kind of a helping verb when you will see before subject, so that means there is question. Okay, there is question. So according to this, so that means we have to show the question mark. We have to show the question mark after sentence, at the end of sentence. So was he playing cricket? Were they writing? Were they reading? Were they reading books? Okay, books. Were we eating food? Okay, were we eating food? So let's make some more sentences. Was she buying? Was she buying? Was she buying food? Was he running? Okay. Was he writing? Okay. Were they living? Were they living? So these are the sentences. So according to this structure, I make some sentences on the board and you saw all the sentences. So you can make the same things. Okay, you can make the same things and that will be a perfect. Okay, so I hope you understand this structure. Okay, this structure you understand and you probably know everything right now after knowing this structure. Okay, so thank you so much and see you next video. Bye bye.